name's Louise. Not to be confused with Louise 31. But just the same, I'll be doing your haircut. Welcome to West Cedar Salon and Spa. Let's get started. First, let me take you back until our salon. We're going to give you a nice private suite for the afternoon. So please come with me. There. Now that we have some privacy, I would like you to sit down in my chair right here. There. Make yourself comfortable. Tea, lemonade, or water? No? We have coffee too. Okay, well then let's get started on your hair washing. Let me just adjust the seat. Put your head back into the sink and relax. There we go. Let me just turn on the water. There. Is that too hot or too cold? Just perfect. Fabulous. Now sit back. Put your hand in. There we go. Now wash your hair. Now this is sea mineral shampoo, and I'm going to be applying it to your dresses. There we go. There. How's that feeling for you? Good. Good. There. I love the fragrance. It's just beautiful. It smells good. The water's still okay? Perfect. Just gonna turn it up. Let the water wash your ends. Okay, I'm just gonna put you back just a little bit further into the sink. Great. I think we're done. Perfect. Let me get a towel. This is nice and warm. Doesn't that feel good? Get it good and dry. And we're going to move on to the next step. Let me just push your chair forward and your neck can come right up with the sun. Here we go. All right. Now, I have some Moroccan oil, and I'm just going to apply this to the ends for a bit of moisture before your cut. That's good. Smells good, doesn't it? Just love this Moroccan oil. There we go. Put that back. Alright. Now you just wanted the ends? Okay. Alright, let's see. And here we're going to start. Actually, let me go get my brush. Just one moment. Hi, Sarah. Hi. Just excuse me one second. Yes. Just let me finish up in here. Not even in. Yep. Thanks. I'm so sorry about that. Brushes. I think they have legs sometimes. Alright, you ready? Just comb through this. God, you have beautiful hair. Love it. Is that your own color? God, it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Get a couple knots. Hold on, sweetie. There you go. Okay, more than a couple. Let's see. Beautiful. Okay. Let's start with the front. What do you think about the spring weather? Gorgeous, isn't it? I should say so. So you have any plans coming up this weekend? Any boyfriends, girlfriends? Yeah. Great. Okay, I'll just clean it up here. That is a rockin' haircut. Just gorgeous. Did you want it centered a little bit in the back? There is just a little bit of a V shape, which was pretty popular a little while back. Do you want that straightened out just to a nice curve or just straight cross? Yeah? Okay, great. Hold on. Let me just take care of that for you. That's good. Much better. Get some of those ends off. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna add just a little detangler, okay? Hold back. Perfect. Will you bring any products with you today? No? Buy one, it's 50% off this week only. That Moroccan oil I used on you, it was just fabulous. Selling like hotcakes. Or like Moroccan oil, I guess. Not so much hotcakes. Alright, I'm just going to put in a little bit of balm. It's going to help with those dry ends. And my bottle's going to make some farting noises, which is always great. Very relaxing. Here we go. There. This is just coming out gorgeous. You have very supple hair. Okay. Just a dash of shine. Just gonna comb it forward. Is this your natural part? Yeah. Okay. Stick with that. All right. You look good. Anything else that you wanted done to your hair before we move on to the nails? No? Perfect. All right. Just a moment. And I'm going to get ready for your manicure. Alright, why don't you have a seat right across from me, and we'll begin with those gorgeous nails. There you go, get comfy. Now, did you pick up a color? You did. Let me see what you picked out. This is a great color. This is pink champagne. Great. We're going to start just trimming up just a little bit. There we go. Trimming those nails just a little bit. Got a big date this night? You don't? Well, baby, you should. Because you look too fabulous just to go home and do the laundry. Doesn't it feel good to have your nails done? I should think so. Let me give me this hand. Okay, let me see. Go on to this side. Do you like Enya? The salon plays her all the time. She has just a gorgeous voice, but it's really hard to stay awake when you're so relaxed. How does that one look to you? Is that too short? Good, because I don't want to tape them back on. That wouldn't be very attractive now, would it? Alright. Would you like a drink of water? No? I'm just going to get a quick sip before we begin with the polish. Thirsty. I've had such a cold. But don't worry, it's not contagious. Actually, let me put some oil onto your cuticle pads. Yeah, just a little oil. This will just soften those up very nicely. Oh, excuse me. Doesn't that smell wonderful? What it's made out of? Let's see. Water, alcohol, oat, more oats, parfum, leaf juice, a lot of things I cannot even pronounce, aloe, sodium hydroxide. The fragrance is just beautiful. What does it say here? One of the best tools for longevity and good health is not just taking a walk outdoors, but taking your walk while holding the hand of the one you love. When we walk in gratitude for each and every moment, we empower ourselves by empowering our spirits. When we breathe in nature through our eyes, ears, lips, we become certain that not only are our souls internal, but that God knows how to manage our lives, our troubles, our worries, and our days better than we do. So today and every day, let go and let God. I'm not religious, but this is part of the Pure Grace line by Philosophy. And this is just the perfumed body lotion I'm going to be applying to your hands. I was gonna say God so many times. I hope I didn't offend. Your God can be whoever you want your God to be, though, I believe. They just always have such cute things on their bottles. Sometimes chubby little babies, too. Those chubby little babies get me every time. Alright. Now let's apply this beautiful polish. Did you want me to rub this into your arms? Okay, hold on. There. Just get this right into your arms. Give a nice refresh to your skin. Doesn't that feel good? Smells good too. Alright. Now that we smell so good, we're going to apply the polish. Okay, there. Excuse me. Gorgeous. Don't get high now. This polish is very strong. I'm just going to open that window up just a little bit behind you. Excuse me one moment. Yeah, let's open this up. So we don't float out of the salon. Great. Now while your hands are wet, let me just apply. This is just a little bit of lip gloss that we're selling up front. Did you want to try some on? Yeah, you did. This is actually Juicy Tubes by Lancome. Or Lancome. Not really sure if I'm ever saying that correctly. Just put some on our lips. Gorgeous. What color is it? Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna say. It's not gonna say, I guess. It's just Pink Brilliant, maybe. That's what we're gonna call it. I'm gonna add one of those to your gift bag for visiting the salon. Your first visit, your 10th visit, and your 15th visit, you'll get a bag. And every visit after that, you will also be receiving plenty of free gifts. And if you bring a friend with you, they get the gifts also, which is great. Just gonna have another sip of water. I'm so ready for wine. It is time. It's time for wine. Yes. Alright. Let me just adjust just a little bit. There we go. Alright. And I'll let you sit under the dryer and I'll be right back. Alright, are you ready to check out? Okay, let me just type up your bill. Let me see here. Let me open this up. Here we go. And this is for the haircut, nails. And did you want to buy any other products today? The Moroccan oil? I'll have the oil and... Oh, okay. I'll add the hair spray to the bill. Okay, and lip gloss as a free gift, a sample of our lotion and cuticle balm, and that color that you used. You can take the rest home. Compliments of your first stay here at the salon and spa. Now, did you want to make an appointment again? I would say in the next 6 to 8 weeks. Do another trim. We'll do a nice coat of nail polish. And if you want to get waxed, massage, we actually just introduced raindrop therapy to the spa. And that will be 30% off if you've got the coupon, which will be coming in the next week in the mail. Are you signed up for our mailing list? You are? Great. And that will be coming, and hopefully you can stop on by and get some massages. Wouldn't that be great? Okay. Now again, I just put my name here, Louise. We're at West Cedar Salon and Spa. Here is my name, my card, and number. If you want to set up any more appointments, feel free. It was a pleasure working with you today. Yes, please do come again. We appreciate you so much. Thank you. Goodbye now.